Coming in from the stock market, India has overtaken Hong Kong as the world's fourth largest stock market. This is a big update that's coming in from the business world. The combined value of shares listed on Indian exchanges have reached $4.33 trillion as of Monday's close versus what was $4.29 trillion for Hong Kong. This is a data that has been compiled by Bloomberg, and this is the latest information that is coming in. This makes India the fourth biggest equity market globally, at the capitalization crossing $4 trillion for the first time since 5th December. Joining me on the phone line is a managing editor of Business Today Television, Siddharth Zarabi. Siddharth, good morning. Do help us understand more on what does it mean that India has overtaken Hong Kong in the fourth biggest stock market at this juncture.
Morning, Pooja. Very clearly, this is a continuing affirmation of the fact that India remains one of the most viable, important markets in the world for long-term investment, and that is the message that this conveys. If you look at the numbers, it's very clear that 2023 saw a record amount of foreign money come into the stock markets, well over $21 billion, and 2024 is likely to perhaps even be better. Two of the other key things that emerge from this, the first being that a lot of Hong Kong market capitalization is on account of Chinese companies who are listed in Hong Kong, and in some ways the continuing economic troubles that China is facing are also reflected in the fact that more foreign investors are pouring in money into India, and there is certainly a lot of interest. We saw that all over the past week at Davos, where most global investors spoke very positively about India, including Ray Dalio, one of the most famed global investors. We expect 2024, the stock market rally to continue, in particular what we have been seeing since December. A key event of sorts is just a few days away, which is the union budget. Although it's an interim one, markets will continue to look for positive signals, and policy continuity and government continuity is one more theme that is already in the mind of investors, considering the Pran Pratishtha of the Ram Temple at Ayodhya. I believe that there will continue to be a positive, upbeat mood in the markets for
let's keep that hope. That's a good point to have it on, that possibly the policies or the decisions will impact the market too. India is now world's fourth biggest stock market in the equity market. This is a big update. This is over Hong Kong now with about $4.3 trillion that's been registered and listed in the Indian exchange. Thank you so much for now. Siddharth Zarabi will be tracking the latest on what's been happening in the stock market.